Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another crochet braid video. We are going to be talking all about the best crochet braid styles for swimming. But before we jump into today's video, be sure you hit that subscribe button down below to your post notifications. I'll give the video a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, welcome boo. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Okay, you guys, so before we start, I just want to go ahead and mention the hair that I currently have in, because I'm sure somebody's going to comment down below asking me what hair this is. So girl, this is my most recent crochet braid video. This is our crisscross half crochet. Let me give y'all a little close up, okay? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I love this color. I love this purple. It's just giving very much summer vibes and I'm here for it. So y'all already know. I'm gonna link the video in the cards for you guys and in the description box down below so you guys can go check that out. Also, don't forget to check out my crochet braid playlist so you guys can see all of the previous crochet braid styles that I have done. So let's go ahead and talk about the best crochet braid styles for swimming, because girl, on basically every video that I post, somebody comments down below and they're like, is this one good for water? Can I get this one wet? Can I go swimming in this one? Is this a good one for vacation? So girl, since it's basically summer, happy April, I just figured I'd do this video for you guys today. So before we jump into specific hair textures or specific crochet braid styles that I've previously done that I feel like will be good for water, I want to help you guys pick a style. So the first thing that I want to talk about is going to be texture. When you are picking a crochet braid hair for vacation, you're looking for something good for water activities, the beach, something you can get wet, you're going to want to pick a texture that is on the silkier side. So this hair that I'm currently wearing now is like a natural feeling textured hair. I would not go swimming in this. I would not pick this for vacation. I wouldn't want to get this one wet. I wouldn't want to dunk my whole head under the water and still have to wear this. Like, no. Because for me, it's like, how can I revive this? Like, how can I revive this? After I put my whole head under the water, all of it gets wet, how am I supposed to go through and like separate these curls so that they can be lively again? I can't. I can't. So I would not pick this. You want to pick something that is on the silkier side. It doesn't have to be super long, but if you want it to be, definitely can be. Okay, the next thing that I want to mention are some of the products that you're going to need to help to kind of like liven up your crochet again. So the first thing would be fabric softener. Okay, if you guys are not new to my channel, you already know how I feel about fabric softener for crochet braids. I love it. I have a whole video devoted to talking about fabric softener on crochet braids. You already know, it's on the playlist. Check it out. Okay, but we love fabric softener. Okay, we also love a good water conditioner mix, and that's really easy for vacation. A little bit of conditioner, a little bit of water, spray bottle, shake, 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 and then you can use that on your crochet braids as well. Now, my recent favorite product for long silky crochet braids is Hawaiian Silky. I just did a video on this and I tell you guys, it completely revived the crochet braid hair. Like, you need it. You need to go to beauty supply store and pick up the Hawaiian Silky. I am telling you guys, it is a winner. Okay, so those products are going to be your best friend. You guys may notice I did not mention anything about mousse. Okay, I don't do mousse. I don't like mousse, especially on like long silky textured crochet braids. Like, it makes it very sticky, clump together. Like, that's not what we want at all. So pick from one of those products that I mentioned previously. Okay, the next thing that I want to talk about is a nighttime routine. So when you are wearing these long wavy styles, you are going to want to twist it up at night. Girl, at worst, 2 twists. Okay, one on this side, one on this side. I know we're on vacation, we're trying to have fun, we turn up, okay, but at least, girl, at the bare minimum, like 1 twist on this side, 1 twist on this side, scarf on, okay, bonnet. If you really can do it, if you could really do the nighttime routine, you really got the time and the energy, do like 8. If you can do like 4 on this side and 4 on this side with one of the products, I would pick Hawaiian Silky. If I was going on vacation and I had long wavy crochet braids, I will be bringing the Hawaiian Silky product with me. So I will put some of that on my hands. I will go through and then I would twist the hair up in like 3 to 4 twists on this side, 3 to 4 on this side, put my scarf on, and then put all the hair in the bonnet, and then have the bonnet on as well, so that we don't get anything on the sheets. Like, we don't want that soft silky hair rubbing up against the cotton sheets, girl. No, 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 no. So I would definitely want to make sure that I stick with the nighttime routine. So if you do those things, you really shouldn't have any problems. Crochet braids are an absolutely amazing, amazing option for vacation. The style is just so like effortless and easy. I just feel like you can throw it up in a bun, a ponytail. Like, if you have your knots and stuff exposed in the back, tie just a cute little scarf around, you know, your edges or whatever, have your big bun, your ponytail, you know, whatever. You can wear it down in the evening. Of course, have the long silky waves, girl, flowing. We love it. So I love crochet braids for vacation. I just recommend that you guys do stick to like a silkier hair texture if you're going to be around water. So what I did was basically go through my crochet braid playlist, look at all the styles that I previously done, and I pulled out the ones that I think will be the best for vacation. So I have not actually gone swimming in any of these hairstyles, none of them, okay? But if I were going on vacation and I was gonna pick from my crochet braid playlist and look at the styles I've done and rewear one, these are the styles that I would select for vacation. So I have my phone right here. I have my list, so let's go ahead and talk about it. Okay, so let's talk about, I feel like we should go from oldest to newest maybe. So my really, really old styles, like 5 years ago, girl, that would be good for water would be Model Twin Deep. That one is really similar to like Free Tress Deep Twist. It's kind of that loose wave, like silky long type of style. That would be a great one. Outre Bahamas curl would be good. A Presto curl, because that's like a loose wave. If you guys are still into those like original Free Tress styles, Presto curl will be a good one for you. Also, Miracle Curl and Beach Curl, which are also by Free Tress. Love those styles, and those are both shorter. So if you're looking for something that's maybe not like waist length, you want something that's kind of like the length that I'm wearing right now, those are two good options for you. I also want to mention like the twist, braids, locks. Those are great crochet braid styles. I believe somebody commented on one of my videos and was like, would this be good for swimming? Girl, yes, yes. All the twists, all the braids, all the locks, that's so easy. That would be like preferable, because then you really have nothing to do. Like, your nighttime routine really is just like putting on a scarf and like a bonnet, and that's it. There's no twisting up with that or anything like that. So that would definitely be a great one. The other styles that I want to mention, another one by Free Tress, which is Free Tress Summer Deep. I love Summer Deep, and I wore it in this really pretty red color. So that one would be amazing for vacation. It is a long, once again, a long wavy silky style. That one would be amazing with using the Hawaiian Silky product to help to detangle and twist that one up at night. The other one that I want to mention is Bobbi Boss Brazilian Go-Go Curl. I love, love, love that hair as well. That one is super long. Like, that's probably the longest crochet braid style I've ever worn. It's very long. It's like waist, or maybe like past my waist a little bit. So love that one. And then I also want to mention a style that I wore recently, which is Ripple Deep. So Ripple Deep is actually the style that is featured in the video when I did the like Hawaiian Silky experiment on the hair, and it just really, really revived it after it had gotten like kind of matted up from me not twisting it. So I really just went through with that product, twisted it up, and it just came out looking so, so good. So just to reiterate, you guys, when you are picking a crochet braid style for swimming, pick something on the silkier side. Don't forget to bring a product with you, whether it's going to be a water conditioner mix, the Hawaiian Silky, the fabric softener, whatever it's going to be, girl, don't forget, okay? And bring something, and then also try to twist your hair up at night, wear a scarf, do something to protect it at night, and you are going to be good to go. So yes, that is going to be it for today's video. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys, because like I said, I get questions about if a hair is good for swimming all the time. So these are my tips and tricks. Hopefully it helps you guys out. And yeah, girl, that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to check out this crochet braid video, because I mean, hello, like this, it's cute. It's cute. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, turn post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.